Welcome to Wearholic. Today I'm going to share with you 10 incredible tips and tricks that will transform your Galaxy Fit3 into a fitness powerhouse and everyday companion. Let's kick things off with tip number 1. Imagine capturing the perfect moment with just a tap on your wrist. The remote camera app on the Galaxy Fit3 lets you take control of your phone's camera with ease. Here's how it works. Tap on the remote camera icon and you're ready to capture photos using your phone's camera. A neat trick is using the timer feature. Tap on the timer icon and you can set a timer for your photo. It is perfect for group shots or for capturing moments hands-free. While you can't switch the camera to video mode directly from the Galaxy Fit3, you can switch it on your phone and then control the video recording using the remote camera app. With the Galaxy Fit3's remote camera app, capturing memories is just a tap away, giving you more flexibility and convenience on the go. It's a handy tool for capturing photos and controlling videos. Adding more versatility to your fitness band experience. No more fumbling through the menus. With the workout shortcut, starting your favorite exercise routine is just a double tap away. Double press on the side button and boom, you are in your workout zone. No more navigating through the menus or swiping through tiles. Typically, you'd access workouts by going through the app menu and swiping left to find the right tile. But with the double tap shortcut, your favorite workout is just a tap away. Not only this, you can also customize the action according to your preference. Head over to Settings, tap on Advanced Features and choose Double Press Home button and select the action you want to assign to the side button. Whether it is starting a specific workout, checking your stats, or launching a favorite app, the Galaxy Fit3's Double Press Home button puts the power at your fingertips. That's the shortcut on the Galaxy Fit3, making fitness tracking easier and more personalized. It is a small feature with a big impact on fitness journey. Now, let's talk about enhancing your safety with the Samsung Galaxy Fit3's safety and emergency features. In case of emergency, the Fit3 offers hard fall detection to alert your emergency contact. Here's how to set it up. First, navigate to the app menu and tap on Settings. Then scroll down and select Safety and Emergency. From here, scroll down and enable Emergency SOS and Hard Fall Detection. Don't forget to add your emergency contact number and health details in this section. Now, to activate Emergency SOS, simply press the side button 5 times. This feature can be a lifesaver, so make sure to utilize it. Another fantastic feature of the Samsung Galaxy Fit3 is its ability to measure your health metrics continuously. You can track your heart rate, stress levels continuously without interruption. Here's how to set it up. Navigate to the Health section and scroll down to access Settings. Here, select Measure Continuously for both heart rate and stress. You can also set high and low heart rate alerts from the HR settings. This continuous monitoring is recommended. With continuous heart rate and stress measurement, you will have a comprehensive view of your health throughout the day. Stay informed and proactive about your well-being with the Samsung Galaxy Fit3. This tip is particularly handy for those who tend to misplace their phone. The Galaxy Fit3 offers a dedicated app to find your phone. Simply go to the menu and look for the Find My Phone app. Tap on the shortcut and your phone will start ringing. Even if your phone is in silent mode, this feature will still play a sound. However, remember that your watch and phone needs to be connected via Bluetooth, as the Galaxy Fit3 does not have Wi-Fi connectivity. It relies entirely on the Bluetooth to locate your device. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and peace of mind, ensuring that you can easily locate your smartphone whenever needed. If you're enjoying this video so far, then hit the like button and consider subscribing. It keeps us motivated to make more informative videos like this. Moving on. The Samsung Galaxy Fit3 offers a convenient way to access your favorite apps and features through customizable tiles. Simply swipe left to access tiles. You can set them according to your preference. For this, swipe left until you see a plus icon. Tap on the plus icon and add any app or feature that you want for instant access. You can also change the position of tiles by pressing and holding a tile for a few seconds, then using the left or the right icons to adjust its position. Personalize your tiles to suit your needs. For example, I prioritize sleep and timer functions on my tiles for quick access to these features. With customizable tiles, the Samsung Galaxy Fit3 enhances your convenience and usability, giving you easy access to whatever matters the most to you. You probably already know that you can control phone media using the Galaxy Fit3. But now, you can access media controls directly from the Fit3 watch face. For this, go to Settings and select Display. Scroll down and enable Show Media Controls. Now, you will find the media icon right on your watch face. Now control media and volume with a single tap. This adds another level of convenience to your Galaxy Fit3 experience, giving you easy access to media controls without navigating through the menus. The Galaxy Fit3 includes a water lock feature to prevent accidental touches. To activate it, simply scroll down on the watch face to access control panel and swipe left. You will see the water drop icon. Tap on it to activate water lock. When you no longer need the water lock, then press the home button for a few seconds to deactivate. This feature adds an extra layer of protection during water-related activities, ensuring that your Galaxy Fit3 remains responsive and functional. You can also customize the watch face of your Galaxy Fit3 according to your preference. There are two ways to do this. First, you can hold down on the watch face and then swipe left or right to select a new one. Secondly, you can use the Wearable app. Open the app and select the watch face according to your preference. You can even set your photo as a watch face by selecting the Photo Watch Face option and choosing a customized photo from your gallery. These options give you the freedom to personalize your Galaxy Fit3's appearance to suit your style and preference. Always on display is highly recommended for Galaxy Fit3 due to its excellent battery backup. Samsung claims a battery backup of about 13 days, making the always on display feature a great addition to enhance your experience and style. This feature not only adds convenience by keeping key information visible at all times, but also adds a touch of personality to your Galaxy Fit3. Other than these features, the Galaxy Fit3 also includes useful apps like weather, calculator, timer, and stopwatch. These apps can be handy whenever you need them, adding versatility and functionality to your Galaxy Fit3 experience. And there you have it, 10 game-changing tips and tricks for the Galaxy Fit3. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to smash the like button and share it with your friends and family, and hit the subscribe button for more tech and fitness awesomeness. Until next time, stay fit and stay tech savvy.